Welcome back to another Ai Daily Buzz special. Today, we are talking about Elevenlabs. If you ever wished you could create realistic voices from just text, or maybe you've dreamed of cloning your own voice for projects, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, an advanced tool that's revolutionizing the way we think about voice technology. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone curious about AI, this tool is going to blow your mind. Imagine being able to generate a voice that sounds just like you, or even create a completely new, lifelike voice for a character, narration, or virtual assistant, all with a few simple clicks. And I'm not talking about those robotic, monotone voices we used to hear in the past. No, this is next-level stuff. Think about voices with natural emotion, perfect intonation, and even the ability to speak in different accents and languages. Stick around because in this video, we're going to walk you through how it works, its amazing features, and how you can get started. One of the most exciting and innovative features of Elevenlabs is its voice cloning technology. If you've ever wondered if you could replicate your own voice, or even someone else's using AI, then you're in for a treat. Voice cloning in Elevenlabs is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in synthetic speech. And today, I'm going to show you just how amazing it really is. Imagine being able to make an audiobook or a podcast in your own voice without reading every word yourself. With Elevenlabs voice cloning, you can. Imagine recording just a few minutes of your voice, then using that to have AI recreate your voice reading anything you type. It's perfect for content creators, educators, or anyone who wants their own voice to narrate without hours of recording. You could even create personalized birthday messages, voiceovers for your videos, or bring characters to life in your own style. Elevenlabs makes it sound so natural that your listeners may not even realize it's AI. Here's how it works. First, you provide the AI with a sample of the voice you want to clone. This could be just a few minutes of audio from a recording, or in some cases, it could even be a short clip. The AI then analyzes the nuances of that voice, the tone, pitch, rhythm, and subtle inflections, before learning to mimic it as closely as possible. Once the voice is cloned, you can use it to generate speech from text, and the results sound incredibly natural. What's even more impressive is how customizable this process is. Not only can you replicate a voice, but you can also fine-tune it. You can adjust things like pitch, speed, and emotion, and even make the voice sound more casual, formal, or energetic. This makes it ideal for a variety of uses, from creating voiceovers for videos to generating personalized messages, or even making virtual assistants that sound exactly like you. Imagine being able to create an audiobook with your own voice, or record podcasts without needing to speak every single word yourself. You could also create customer support bots that sound just like your brand's tone, or even bring your characters to life in ways that were impossible before. The potential here is huge. Another great feature of Elevenlabs is its ability to generate multilingual and multicultural voices, which really sets it apart from other text-to-speech tools. Whether you're creating content for a global audience, working on a project that needs diverse voices, or just exploring different languages, Elevenlabs makes it incredibly easy to do so with a natural, authentic touch. So, how does it work? Elevenlabs can take your text and not only translate it, but also adapt it to sound natural in different languages and accents. It's more than just a simple translation. It ensures that the voice you hear matches the language's unique rhythms, tones, and expressions. Whether it's Spanish, French, Mandarin, or even less common languages, Elevenlabs generates voices that sound like they were spoken by a native speaker. Why is this so powerful? Imagine you're creating an international marketing campaign or a video game with characters from different parts of the world. Elevenlabs allows you to seamlessly integrate voices that feel authentic and relatable to your audience. It's also a game changer for accessibility, providing users around the world with voices they can easily understand and connect with. An exciting thing about Elevenlabs is how it's being used in the real world to transform industries, streamline workflows, and bring creative projects to life. The possibilities are endless, and today I'm going to take you through some of the most amazing ways people and businesses are using Elevenlabs to unlock new opportunities. First up, let's talk about content creation. Whether you're a podcaster, YouTuber, or audiobook creator, Elevenlabs makes it incredibly easy to generate high-quality voiceovers and narration. You can create entire podcasts or audiobooks without having to record each line yourself, saving time and effort. Plus, with voice cloning and customization, you can even have your content read in your voice, or create entirely new voices for characters or narration. Education is another space where Elevenlabs is having a big impact. With its ability to generate clear, understandable speech in various accents and languages, it's helping educators create materials that are more accessible to students globally. Whether it's for e-learning courses, educational videos, or even audiobooks for students with disabilities, Elevenlabs makes learning more inclusive. Finally, let's not forget about entertainment and gaming. Elevenlabs is a game changer for developers creating characters, dialogue, and voiceovers for video games or animated content. You can bring characters to life with voices that sound exactly how you envision them, whether they're heroes, villains, or supporting roles. One of the things that makes Elevenlabs stand out is how easy it is to use, even if you're not a tech expert. Whether you're a beginner or someone with experience in AI tools, Elevenlabs has been designed with simplicity in mind, so you can dive right in and start creating without a steep learning curve. The platform features an intuitive, user-friendly interface that's straightforward and clean. Everything is easy to navigate, so you won't waste time trying to figure out how to get started. Whether you're creating a voiceover, cloning a voice, or generating images, the options are clearly laid out and accessible with just a few clicks. What's even better is that you don't need any programming or technical expertise to use Elevenlabs effectively. The platform is designed so anyone, whether you're a content creator, business owner, or even a hobbyist, can use it right out of the box. All you need is your text or audio input, and the AI handles the rest. Now let's talk about pricing. Elevenlabs offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs, whether you're just starting out or you're a professional looking for advanced features. They have a free tier, which is a great option if you just want to explore the basic features and get a feel for the platform. With the free plan, you can try out voice generation and cloning, but there are some limitations in terms of usage and access to premium features. For those who need more flexibility, Elevenlabs offers several pay plans. These provide more voice generation credits, higher quality outputs, and access to premium features like additional voices, faster processing, and more customization options. The pricing is structured to be scalable, so you can choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Whether you're an individual content creator or a large business, there's a plan for you. And that's a wrap on everything you need to know about Elevenlabs. Whether you're looking to create realistic voice clones, generate stunning images from text, or explore multilingual capabilities, Elevenlabs offers some truly cutting-edge tools to bring your ideas to life. With its user-friendly interface and scalable pricing, it's a platform that's accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a pro. If you're interested in trying Elevenlabs yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.